Ngut ke MLA ke Kongres kentup ya Ngut ki basha suspend haga Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ki lej penyeso yelade shakaseng National People Party NPP menta ke janmi ke khat khandai trik nailar beralong ha office thamai jong ke NPP kini ki Ngut ki dei MLA kamahoti constituency uba Charles Marngar MLA ke Nongstoin ba Gabriel Walang baru MLA ka Umsning Dr. Celestine Lingdo ye kini ki Ngut la pedang sngubha the national president ke NPP bat menteri rang badu ke jela ukonrat ke sangma haga jingdon lang kinongelam ke parti habakren haga ne jingyelang pedang kini kila Ngut ki MLA kila kren bat Phla Mynsiem ya ke kebakila Buhrih hakini kisngi ya ki Jingthum jongki ban Rung ke NPP Henry kumbaki kubor kila pau namar hakapor baki nongtho kubor ki persang ban wat ka kubor basisha kila kentat ban kren Halor kene kam bat deitat menta kasngi ka urlong sisha bat ka bakila Phla Mynsiem.
I'm here today because of His blessings and His guidance. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Honorable Chief Minister Sakwanrat Sangma, the Chief Minister of our state Meghalaya, and also the two Deputy Chief Minister, Sir President Tensong, who is also the State President of the NPP, and Sri Sinyawahalam, the Deputy Chief Minister. I'm very thankful to our Honorable Chief Minister who is inviting me to join with the National People's Party. I also want to thank all my name, but I thank all the ministers from the National People's Party, my colleague MDCs, party workers, and friends. My leaders from my constituency, today we're here selected few leaders that are coming here to witness this great day. Especially to Dr. Celestine Lingdo and Gabriel Walang, my colleague MLA in the Congress Party. My deepest appreciation goes to one of the veteran senior most leader in the state, who is my mentor, whose guidance and mentorship have been invaluable. His encouragement to join the NPP has been a significant factor in my decision. Today, I am delighted to announce that I am not joining this party alone. I'm not joining alone, but as part of a dedicated team from Mawati constituency. This morning, I met with around 1,000 of my leaders, all of whom have shown their support for my decision. Without them, would not have been possible. My intention in joining the NPP is not for my intention in joining NPP is not my personal gain, but to strengthen the party, the National People's Party. I trust that our Chief Minister will address the development needs of my constituency, which has long been overlooked. I pledge to uphold the NPP's principle in Buhrih and work diligently towards our shared goals. That we will secure all 5 constituencies by 2020. I urge the press and media also this evening. Let us focus on the positive aspects. The positive aspects of our journey rather than dwelling on negatives. My mentor, Dr. Jingthum, used to remind me. I remember when going to Delhi, he reminded me about one girl who wrote an essay. Gratitude is the memory of the heart. He always reminded me, Charles, don't miss to say thank you. And also, he always reminded me, count your blessings. Nowadays, we have seen, we cannot deny the fact that gratitude, I should say, is very less in our hearts, in our daily life. My dear friends, I will not take much time, but I'm here today to join NPP. Sir, I can give you assurance that from today onwards, I'll try my level best. I'm here to work for the party, and also I'm here to work for the betterment of our people in this day. With these few words, once again, I thank you all, and also I apologize my media friends for the last few days. I'm very sorry. Thank you so much for your patience. May God bless you, and from now onwards, anytime you want to meet us, approach how to go this way, a new way, with the National People's Party. With these few words, I forget to thank our Honorable MP Raja Sabha also. I'm very sorry, sir. Thank you so much. And last but not the least, thank you so much, our Honorable Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, Sir President and so on. We went together to Salamam residence. Thank you so much to Sir Mahalam. Because of our Chief Minister, because of our Deputy Chief Minister, both of them were here today. With these few words, I will conclude my speech. Doble menurunkan ingatan. Takwa bergerentak menjadi ada kasih. Berkata dalam tengken the Jingthum kelahiran. Nioi tangi kusnim, nioi yang boha. Kaya magwa berai kubor akan dijalan. Ni dan hanya bersyakri. Ni gerak sepang ke jingin jai penriu. Beli macam sini jai penriu. Lada udan hak National People's Party. Pinong ijat Indonesia. Ini kita jai penriu. Banganut bangun hak ini kesini. 4 dalam MLA mau hati konstitusi. Buat dalam dehi, ada history juga mau hati. Ulek dalam dehi, hak kami amulok arsen dan diberai dalam dehi, nak lagi baik bahapur. Tinggal jangan hak National People's Party. Saya terpukul. Ini trailer parti. Kenapa karena itu Shem yang disebut. Nak mendapat Jingthum, jangan baik bahapur. Kadang kau ini Jingthum, Jingthum tanah. Akan senang jangan jadi bonding sama ni. leadership postman, Ngut di sama dia. Dan pria dan eriong militi siyo, enten niklat patayo yung nai. Tada sisna muan pria ikan mausa. Kaya ika momot batong hari ni kasi ikaw apa? Baiklah bro, hitam ibarat NPP kemarin. Jadi nak kita tahu mayuki, mana kita konsensi kejongan, mengitu. Maka don ke Jingthum kan, kini ke Jingthum yang ke NPP kalau ke Jingthum, nak kemenang. Kamau hati konsensi was the one of the backward constituency in Buhrih district and also in the state as a whole. Tapi ni kita di bawahnya, ngai kulai lagi piboro kecing kulai berkerpang, ikinong yalam kejongi, ilada kejongi. Ekwa kami itu ipi, mana kalian kejongi, ilada macam meeting mana, kumbasya jarmul, semua ujian setiap bilang meeting, asyam juga, tapi way ke school. Mendai bangang arai mungkin, mendai collectively decision, we decided to join NPP. Sashi contain show apa show. Halor kinong try jongi kebadan lupa mana. Sir, I'm here to say something. Now we have two groups, old and new NPP. Old and new. Tanggaway na kuha on hindi kalong. Kalian juga pun nongilong. Idon kami dia kecingin cilang. Isko kumain ni kecingin dalam hindi nongilong NPP. Naka-block mo. In your trailer, adjustment should be there. Adjustment should be there. Itang lagi ni kita buat. Dia, I play PlayStation Factor, play Mentorship. Ni baru play shibun, play Shiajamu, long live NPP, play shibun, Mitela J. Thank you.
I choose to keep silent. And when I look here, in the first row, 90% are ex-congressmen. Actually, there is nothing new between us here. It is a journey that we all take, and we decide to go right or left when we see the journey to the right is less beneficial to the people who represent. Situation demands that we should take the left road. This is the situation that we three decided to take. It is not that this right side, the road on the right is totally bad or has gone wrong. No, that road is still there. But for the benefit of the people who have elected us to bring changes and development that we also want to show, we have decided to take the road on the left. Kecil kasih ke orang kumno, ya nanti miati, ya nanti miati. You take any road, but take the road that gives the best benefit to the people. No hatred to anyone. But on a personal level, I appreciate the Honorable President of the National People's Party, the National President, who is also the Chief Minister. It is not easy for us to say, I'm leaving my parent party from which to join another party. But the good commitment and the faith that we have between the Chief Minister and between us, with the hope that that agreement and commitment that we have will bring changes in our constituency, that paves the way for all things that is happening now. I always dream good for my constituency and always dream of good things for the state. And maybe today, through this government and through the National People's Party, we can make that dream come true. We cannot say that every nook and corner of Meghalaya will become like New York in 5 years' time. No. Development is a journey. But we have to take each step at a time. Problem comes only when you don't take any steps further. That is the problem. So I hope with the combination, the strength of the government that we give by our joining. I think, sir, we are an absolute no. The number is an absolute majority. That number should give confidence to this government. That number should give courage to this government to decide. People may have misunderstanding, but as long as we decide for the good of the people, that courage should see us through this journey. I express my gratitude to all my friends who have come from Umsling constituency, also friends from Nongstoin and Mawati. Indeed, these last 2 weeks has been very stressful weeks. You don't see it in my face because my gray hair is hiding all that. But stress is there. But I hope this family that we are here now will take us all along. We might have little issues in my constituency, but we will get both the existing NPP members and the new members that I will be bringing along. We will have a teamwork. So from my side, I only wish the best for the party, the best for the government, and the best for the state. Thank you.
Kikintian kijumpi di penlong yang akan berkat jangan orang talari sisa. Nak kita kan nongstoi berfungsi, ngalon kam bersacrifice lagi, bersiap penuh, bersiap ben akibat bangsa. Regulasi pun saya, jadi kejulah kijumpi, EMP jumi wakamki, yang pernah sultanan, regulasi pun saya biar berkat ini di samandal. But we ki MLA, menunjuk kereta we ki ex MLA, ki perlu sudah kita mengirim dengan ketugas parti Indonesia. Karena masuk bawa nanti masuk kubah kerja kesan NPP kerja juk kebanyakan dia mengalu ki kuat Indonesia. Langsung persu masuk kan. Para kawan nanti ke Delhi komentar. Kembali pengalaman away. Bagi ki presu mengatam mak nabi baru. Nongkin kami jauh ke NPP. Malaysia pun bagi aikat kerana kemudian supaya kecuali bagi ada orang betul. Dan sekarang Jingthum ke jauh macam pengklaim itu parti, partnya mencari berapa nak mendapat ke parti, panggil pun orang, penpaus ke parti. Kaya kalau PUI ke NPP bagi apa pasal. Yang ke Jingthum kecuali kan berbahaya parti. Bagi Jingthum lagi ke kapan? Kerana ini perlu cuma armah. Kelab bagi dengan lemah penjual di syarikat parti. Kemudian pun baca, kemudian pun doktor, dan kelab PR pun dengan lemah penjual kami. Bagi mana, banai kecil sepi berkabah yang kejar beliau kerja adalah ini kecuali. Aku akan naik kemudian di perlok kecuali kedewan dan mustain. Dan subhanallah yang di perlok juga kedewan dan mustain. Kemudian pun memang kita kampung yang muslim di bawah. Ini isni kita dok. Karena ini isni kita kampung bersama. Nasmo lengah yang ada kubu yang ada. Bangan susah nanti bangan suni, bangan su. Ai yang tahu bangan ini oposisi. Nampun apa lagi ini kita tahu baik pak. Nasmo kalau kapok lah bentar cuma kalau tahu mandi kapok. Kadang kata kapok sandong. Air itu mungkin air itu mungkin keren. Yang berkesinduan itu cuma penyusuan. Andai awak kalau konsumsi orang kam ya karoi kapok kita kam ya kesana. Bahkan jika juga dengan nangis kam, di dalam Mynsiem, Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, Halor. Nangis kan bagi jualan ini kadang pengklaim, but ngananglah ban ai kecil sekali berkambah ya dalam stone konsumsi, ban yang district West Kasih ini berlaku. Nah, wanangnya ini tempat luar baru. Ya, don lupa meeting. Kalau news pakut kiligar media shop di perkat, pengalaman kecil itu nanti. Pengalaman ini dengan suara dengan sini kau di island yang apa dengan masuk. But ketika sore kalau makihi kita sekam lena, karena sepoi hari mentah. Reklam kalau jingthum jualan jom Hidong kita, patut kita buat Palestin. Namla man tam marway. Nama kajiwan marway kalau kalah kan sendiri yang parti. Ada kajiwan lang baru. Karena penklaim ke parti, artinya sikap parti nang lawan job hadi election di bangsa mana. Mana sir, I'll come here to serve for the public and at the same time to serve the party. I'll do my best. As I've been in the youth congress before, I'll do my best to perform as an NPP family, to strengthen the family, to work the party, and to make sure that we will win in the 2028.